heading. Okay, let's add a heading, command blocks and then heading. So there are total 6 heading, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So this is heading 1. If I click on this heading 1, it's the heading 1. You can also align this heading. You can, if you want to place the heading in center, then click on this center icon. Then if you like to place this heading in right, then near right, and then it's the left. If you need to change the heading 1 to heading 2, then use this icon only and it will change instantly. And this is how the heading work. If you like to create a link in this heading, just select and click on this link, place the link and hit enter. And now let's move to the advanced section of heading. If I click on this advanced, you see HTML anchor. HTML anchor is necessary to arrange a table of content. For example, let me show you how it works, and let me rename it heading and copy this. And now I like to link this text. Okay, just press a hash sign and then place the text, and that's all. And now if I save it and reload, if I click on this text, it will move to that one. Let me click. Okay, I clicked and you see it's scrolled down to this heading 1. And by this way you can arrange table of contents like I have done in this page. So if I click on heading, it's going to heading. If I click on this cover, it's moved to the cover block. And this is how you can arrange the table of contents without using any plugin. Okay, let's move our next gallery block. Just hit enter, click on plus icon, then command blocks and gallery. Okay, you can use your media library to create a gallery, or you can upload. Okay, let me upload some image for this gallery. I'm clicking on upload and now select some random images. Okay, that's enough. All images are uploaded here. By default this 3-column gallery, but if you want to make it more than 3-column or 4-column, just use this option, and now it's 4 or 5, as much as you need. You can also work with this link option too. In the next video we will talk about list and quote.